It is time for another update of the That's Expensive Project Pan. The project that I learned that some of my essential oils are more expensive than my high-end perfumes. And you know what? I'm still not really over it. Before we get into the update, I just kind of want to share where we're currently at with this project. To date, I have managed to use up 10 products that total $370.50. Let's see if we can add to that today. The first category I have is for makeup, and I only have one product in this category, and that is, let's see if I can do this without reading it off of the paper, the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder in the shade Light. How many months did it take? It took 7 updates to finally get that right on my own. But really, does a name need to be that long? It's just an under eye powder. I did get 15 more uses out of this, bringing it to a total of 104 uses so far. And I have to say, I actually enjoy this powder. It's really light, it doesn't dry my skin out, it makes everything feel nice and smooth. My only problem is, $51 is way out of my budget. I really hope that I bought this on sale, like a 20% off Rouge sale or something, because that's the only way I'll forgive myself. Next up is skincare, and the first product I have is something I figured out is one of the worst products I have ever tried. And that goes to none other than the Pharmacy Clearly Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm that does not melt away makeup and it does not cleanse. I got 5 more uses on this product, bringing it to a total of 16 uses so far. And like I promised you, 0 of those were on my face. I don't know what it is, just for whatever reason, this won't emulsify nicely for me. It doesn't rinse off nicely for me. It usually just sticks to my face and leaves a layer that I have to wash with cleanser like 20 times to get it off. And by the time I am done, everything hurts and everything is just so irritating. I did use it to try and get off the glitter I had on my neck the other day, and it worked okay, but in all fairness, I think glitter's a harsh thing to compare it to because let's face it, once you wear glitter, you're wearing it for life. This product I thought was 100% going to be an empty. I would have put money on it. This is the Torridin Cellmazing Firming Cream, and I got 11 more uses on it, bringing it to a total of 45 so far. Unfortunately, I think this is just a mediocre lotion. I'm also currently using a Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Moisturizing Cream, and I find, like, moisturizing wise and how my skin feels, that one I actually prefer over this one. Maybe it doesn't have all those added ingredients to it, but you know what? I still think I would go with that one over this. Like you can see though, it was so close to being done, like maybe only a couple more uses. The last 2 products I have in skincare are like sisters. They're the Glow Recipe Lip Pops. We have Blueberry, and then secondly we'll go over Watermelon. With the scent Blueberry, I did get 7 more uses, bringing total uses to 51. I do really enjoy the smell of this one. It smells really nice. I think my only problem with this one is that it does tint my lips a little bit darker, and it's not really a shade I prefer. So that's why I like to kind of gravitate to Watermelon over this one, but I've been really trying to make sure I still get my uses with this. Oh my god, the Watermelon one smells even better. It's so delicious. But with Watermelon here, I did get 7 more uses, bringing it to a total of 82, and you might be thinking, where is that bullet? That's right, I started to have to dig it out with my fingers. It's quite concave in there, and it's starting to get really difficult to get out. I think I might have to decant it, but I'm doing my best just to kind of get as much out of it naturally as I can, just because, I don't know, the idea of decanting a lip balm just feels a little bit weird to me. No particular reason why. Oh my god, it's like Great Crush. The one hair care product I have is my Unite Blonda shampoo, and it smells, like I just said, like Grape Crush, like pretty much on the dot. I did get 8 more uses out of this past month, bringing total uses to 18. And I don't know, I seem to be loving this product more and more as I use it, whereas before I was like, I'm not really sure if it's doing anything, and now I'm like, I think it's actually working, and it smells delicious. Absolutely love this. This will probably be my purple shampoo till I die, or stop needing purple shampoo. Might just have to bleach my hair just to continue using it. Onto the fragrance category, I have 2 products, and the first is my Givenchy Haute Couture Eau de Toilette, and I can happily say I got 3 uses on it this month, bringing total uses to 6, which compared to last month is pretty dang good. I don't know what it was, I was like, oh, this scent is too sophisticated to just kind of wear for fun kind of thing, but it's like, who really set that standard? That was me. So it's like, why am I scared to just spritz this on to go for an evening walk with my partner? Why am I scared to spritz this on to like go to the dog park? Like, I should just live my life and wear it, which is what I would tell to somebody else that I heard made that comment. So I really got to start living by my own advice. But the thing that really blows my mind with this product is I do have the information for you up in the corner here that it is $64 per fluid ounce, which is half of the next product I'm about to share with you. And like, you would never guess putting them side by side. This is the Sage Natural Wellness, the Pain Release Analgesic Remedy Rollerball, and this is $120 per fluid ounce. Like I said at the start of the video, I'm still not over that. I did get 12 more uses on this product, bringing total uses to 39, and I can happily say there is nothing left in this product. So we can officially add another empty to that grand total. I do enjoy the scent of this. I didn't use it for pain release just because it's like, if something was ailing me, I'd never really found that it did much. To me, it smelt nice, so I used it for more of an aromatherapy kind of use, but apparently it's supposed to have like a nice kind of heating effect to it, which also I didn't get. So it's like, I didn't get the benefits they claimed out of it, I just more used it for the smell of it. But I still can't get over just how dang expensive it is. Onto my miscellaneous category, and these are probably two of my favorite products, which is funny because the Unite Blonde of being grape scented, you know, like absolutely love that, and these two are grape scented, so I'm starting to kind of see a theme here. The first one is my High Smile Grape Bubblegum Toothpaste. Absolutely love this brand. So many different flavors. There's probably something for everybody. I did just bring this into the project a little bit ago, so monthly and total uses are at 53. Since I've used up those minis that I have in Turn and Burn, I can now use this morning and night, so I'm so happy that, you know, I get to wake up with grape and I get to go to bed with grape. And if the toothpaste wasn't enough, this was actually a Winners find. So if you don't have a Winners near you, it's the same as Marshall's, it's the same as TJ Maxx, TK Maxx, it's kind of one of those stores. And it is the High Smile mouthwash in grape bubblegum. I didn't even know they made these. I also just brought this into the project, so monthly and total uses are currently at 28. And to be honest, it's a little bit different. It's foaming, so when you pump it out of the top, it pumps into your mouth as a foam. It was a little bit different to kind of get used to it because it starts off a little bit thick, but as you kind of keep swishing it, it does kind of like dilute with your saliva, and then eventually you do have more of a liquid consistency. So a little bit different. Probably not my favorite type of mouthwash, but it's great bubblegum. Like, yeah, it just makes me happy. Because I used up that Sage Rollerball, I do want to bring something else in its place. I do think my High Smile toothpaste is slowly running out, and I don't think it's going to last till next update. So in place of my Sage, and eventually when this toothpaste runs out, I am bringing in none other than a second bottle of it. So this one is not 100% full, but I would say it feels like it's at least 90% full. So I think I've got like 5, maybe 10% left, and then I'll be bringing this one in. At the start of the video, I had told you that I have used up 10 products that totaled $370.50. I was able to use up that Sage Rollerball, meaning I used up one product that was worth $36. Yeah, you heard that right. This tiny little thing here, $36. But that means my new total for this project is 11 products totaling $406.50. So that is my update for you today. I am super happy to add in another grape product because it just seems like I'm an inner kid and grape just makes me happy. However, I do want to say thank you for watching this video today. It really helps my channel out and it encourages me to keep going. And until the next one I see you in, I hope the day treats you well. Bye.